Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Oh man, a cowboy ribeye steak, folks. I only do these for special occasions, and not only have I got one, but I got two and three. I got three of them. Special occasions, special people coming over tonight, folks. And we're gonna do one plain, and we're gonna do the other two. We're gonna put a little zangs on there. Stir fry oil. I love that stuff with the garlic infused. And then you can't go wrong with Montreal steak seasoning. Actually, it's for steak, so it's from Montreal, so it's good stuff from Grow Greats, folks. I'll tell you what. Cam Chef, we're going to do this. The Cam Chef Woodwind with the sear box, reverse sear, get these things up to temp, and then we're going to sear them on that sear box, folks. Let's get going. All right, all seasoned up, folks. Put these back in the fridge, and then when about 20 minutes before I put them on the grill, I'm take them out, let them acclimate a little bit, and then I'll tell you what. Let's go take a look at that Cam Chef Woodwind, shall we? All right, so there's the Cam Chef already going. You can see I even got a Cam Chef flat top grill. Cam Chef makes some nice products, folks. It's just, I've got a lot of choices here. And when it comes to pellet grills, there are times, you see me cook on the Pellet Pro. I do like the Pellet Pro. This is a very unique setup, whereas they offer this side box. And the side box, they actually have two versions of it. One you can swap out and put different stuffs on, like a flat top. But this one has just the cast iron Grow Greats on there, and it really does a very nice job. And we have updated this one. I did put the Smoke Daddy PID on there, and it really takes this thing to another level. So let's get it all fired up, shall we? All right, folks, got a little smoke coming out of there. That's what I'm looking for. I got the Cam Chef set here for 225, and you can see she's right around there, 221, just down herself in. Take a quick look at those three gorgeous. Oh man, look at that. I'll tell you what, those three cowboys look fantastic. This closed down. I'm starting to run a little short on time here. I'm sometimes just bad at planning when it comes to how long it's going to take. So I originally wanted to do this at low smoke, and then I looked and said, holy cow, I only got 20 minutes to do this in. So I bumped it up to 225, and we'll keep going from there, folks. You keep on watching. All right, folks, about 10 minutes into it, you can see even and I bumped things up to 270, which is mid on this Pellet Pro controller from Smoke Daddy, and you can see we got smoke even at 270. That's pretty impressive for a pellet grill, folks. A lot of people say you only get it on low smoke. Well, you're getting it at 270, and that's a clean, efficient burn right there, and that's kind of what you're looking for, folks. So I'll tell you what, we'll keep on going here. I'm gonna catch up later. That's why I turned up the temp a little bit. And before you know it, we'll have that sear box going, and we'll be searing those steaks. Stay tuned for that. All right, folks, I bumped it up to 300. I just want to show you, it says 303 there on the controller, and take a look at the dome temp there. That's just a little over 300 also. So, we were talking about the PID. Cam Chef did start making a PID for this pellet grill, and I haven't tried it. I've seen videos of it, and it looks pretty cool, but I just tell you what, I still like that Smoke Pro, the Pellet Pro from Smoke Daddy Inc., folks, and they're coming up with a different PID this year. You've seen me do some, examples of it in use, and it's going to have Wi-Fi in it, folks, and I'm really getting excited about it. Can't wait to see it. So we're just about ready to sear in just a couple more minutes. All right, I know I keep saying I'm going to show you searing, but I just wanted to give you a quick look-see before they are seared. They're in the upper 90s right now. Oh, look at that, mighty nice with two taters going on there. Oh man, I'm getting hungry. Okay, stay tuned, folks, and now we'll sear them. Oh man, we are searing. I'll tell you what, that sear box gets hot. Let's give this a quick flip. Oh yeah, looking nice, looking nice. So we'll keep on searing and give you a couple more look-sees. I'll tell you what, folks, that thing sears like crazy. What a great little grill this is. Oh man, look at those. And there's another one. Holy cow. Those are some nice steaks, folks. I got special guests over. Any thumbs up from the special guests? I'm getting thumbs up. All right, folks. Hope you enjoyed this. These steaks are delicious, and I can't wait to tear into mine. And folks, oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's just perfect, 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 perfect. All right, folks, I hope you enjoy this. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, appreciate you watching. Thank you.